Hello my people, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to go a long way to help the YouTube channel. I bring a video which I will play very soon of Mr. Jollof accusing the Olu of Warri of unjustly suspending the Ologbosere of Warri, which is Ayiri. You know, for a long time the Ologbosere of Warri has been suspended because of his role he played during the coronation of the Olu of Warri. So he has been suspended. But today, Mr. Jollof released a video saying that the suspension was unjust and mentioning some names that the Olu of Warri is working with, that they are not good persons. So why did he not suspend those persons and he's suspending the Ologbosere of Warri, which is actually unfair. So no long talk. Let me just bring you the video of him saying all what he said, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.
And for mercy, Ogiame, His Royal Majesty the Olu of Warri Atuwase III, Esemi Walesa. Baba, Eshishigi, mo fẹ́ dọ́fọ̀ náà rẹ̀, mo rí Ayiri, Chief Ayiri Emami, mo rí Mene Brand, ó fọ́ that Ayiri Eshi Ologbosere Juwe. Baba Isa. I know many people not hear what they talk. His Royal Majesty, where he did there, I know say you know the year shekiri like that now, gradual process, because you know really on ground that time, so you know really the year shekiri. So yesterday, Chief Mene Brand, as they talk, say Chief Ayiri, and not be Ologbosere again. Maybe the king no hear say now wait till the guy talk, because it not be like direct speech. Okay, so I made the ask, made the king use a math to talk with Chief Mene Brand talk whether he really correct, because I don't believe so. Ogiame go just sit down say Ayiri no go be Ologbosere again. First of all, what Ayiri do? Now what did the law talk? Not be what Ayiri right. What did the law talk? Now you say me they follow, which is not wrong. But events don't take its course. Abi, what I expect the king to do according to his speech during his coronation is to call for reconciliation. Ayiri, Wani Palace. Ayiri no go fit say go hear Ogiame call. Ogiame go send a text message as a receipt, say Ayiri call Palace. They will say, okay, he sent letter for revalidation. How can you send a letter that Chief Ayiri Emami call for revalidation? You put bracket suspended. That will be peace they call for. People where they dare around the king, at least some of them, because they are selfish interests, they do everything as much as possible to say, okay, now you will be the bad person. Who good for the palace? Thomas will they revalidate, Thomas na better person. How much you will they talk on behalf of Shekiri, they say they talk about how much na better person? You the host FIFA president for your ass for Ikoyi. You carry FIFA president call Warri Warri Tashi Stadium, NFF president, and I they talk say you carry Shekiri for you have to hear measure they do. Say you they welcome FIFA president, that be better person when you say you be for Shekiri. Who be better person for inside the palace? Make it bring your head come and say Mene Brand. You way they say you be custodian of Shekiri well. So when you care only be king, you go palace or you go for revalidation. Say because you not go for revalidation now because he held on to what was there before he was born. When I say a bad person, a rebellion. No, you people are selling the wrong information to the general public, spending so much money on media, causing problems here and there. Some people are ready to say, I don't want to fight you, this one want to fight you. So make I really bring money, make Ogiame can't bring money, make all of them the same when they cause a quick moment. Some people are just trying to make money from you people unnecessarily. We don't need this at this time. Ayiri, you know say Ogiame. Everybody just say nah him be Ogiame. People don't copy English. Ayiri go palace. Oyowole wa, Jaye wa, or can say Bernard wa. Settle this thing amicably. We cannot be hearing Shekiri issue, sacred issue. for leader Ikeji. So go say because they no leader, where they're going to give me leader the job. They say na Shekiri matter, they talk Jamie. Now the pop money they give leader. People they will get the social media work for inside the town. Now rather to give them 100,000, they talk Shekiri matter up and down. This should be the very first and last time I will call everybody to order. Since nobody wants disgrace, everybody should keep quiet, live in peace and harmony. Shekiri should have an agenda. This is what I'm talking about. Let Shekiri have an agenda. What is the agenda for 2023? Where is Shekiri going to in the next 10 years? Is it about fighting yourself? As a king, you need the good, the bad, and the ugly. During your coronation speech, you were talking about peace. Then coming not less than a month and saying you derobe a chief. Is that the peace you are talking about? Is that the peace you are talking about? What is the crime that people need the head of Ayiri? Stating the fact that what is on paper should be followed. Is that a problem? That is not a problem. That is not a problem. If you are not okay with what is on paper, you guys should come out and settle yourself amicably. Simple as ABCD. If Chief Ayiri is not playing to you people's drum, you should know and learn how to negotiate. It is simple as ABCD. Simple as ABCD. Not coming, disgracing yourself up and down, and at the end of the day, spending money here and there, paying lawyers 10 million, 15 million, and all of that. You people can actually call me and I'll settle this matter with just 25 million. Just 25 million.